How you doing, everyone? Just checking in here to give you your monthly market update. Paul D. Felice, Coldwell Banker. Many of you know who I am, but I'm just going to talk real briefly about what's going on. I'm going to be talking about both Sarasota and Manatee counties combined, so the stats that I'm giving you are for the two counties combined. Now the number of listings, and I'm going to be comparing the first quarter of 17 to the first quarter of 2018. So in 2017, we were averaging about 9,205 active listings on the market, and in 2018, and the first quarter, we were averaging about 8,842. So there's a smaller amount of inventory in the 2018 quarter. So we have less inventory, which is good if you're selling, not so great if you're buying. The number of sales, however, we had about 4,920 sales in 2017, and we had 5,259. So it's about a 7%, almost 7% increase in the number of sales. So we have less inventory and more sales for the first quarter of 2018, which is good again if you're selling. Months of inventory is generally about 5.5, which is good. Anything under 6 months is a seller's market. I've mentioned that before in previous updates. Days to sell, 72 and 76. So I mean, that's really not that much of a big difference. The average list price has gone up. Average list price from the last quarter to this quarter is it's gone up about 8% to $444,663 for the two counties combined. And the average sale price has gone up about 12% between the first quarter of 17 and the first quarter of 18, which is pretty good. The average sale price between the two counties right now is about $366,000 and change. So that's pretty good. Dollar volume in 2017, the first quarter amounted to about 1.6 billion. And in 2018, it amounted to 1.9 billion, a little over 1.9 billion in the first quarter, which is good. So the dollar amount has increased a great deal from last quarter to this quarter. So now, as far as projections goes, nobody has a crystal ball. The prices have been rising steadily since 2012. Nobody knows how long this is going to last. According to NAR's chief economist, he believes that the growth should be positive for 2018, although it'll be slower than previous years. That's what he's predicting. Again, no one knows how long this is going to last. The low-end market should continue to see a solid growth. However, rising interest rates could slow that down, and if it slows that down, you never know. It could, have a ripple effect through the entire market, because if the little guy's not selling, then the little guy's not moving up to another house, and the guy in the middle's not selling. If the guy in the middle's not selling, he's not upgrading to a bigger house. So we just don't know how it's going to play out. But generally, higher rates means a slower market, and the rates are going up. But higher rates also is a signal of a stronger economy, which is also good. So. And the rates traditionally, compared to when I got into the business 26 years ago, the rates are still very cheap. I remember the rates being around 9%, and I thought, wow, this isn't bad. And I remember when they dropped down to 7, I used to tell my customers, you're never going to see this again. And boy, was I wrong. I mean, they've gone way down. So I predict that Sarasota and Manatee County is going to do just fine. I don't know that for sure, but that's what I'm thinking. I mean, this place is a great place to live. Sarasota, Manatee, Florida in general is a great place to live. You have a lot of people moving here. People are leaving all these colder states and high-tax states in droves, and they're going to other states like ours that are just warmer and tax-friendlier. So I think we're just going to see continued growth. At least I hope so. So nonetheless, that's the update for today. If you ever have any questions, feel free to call me at 941-315-1990. Again, this is Paul D. Felice, Coldwell Banker. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'm going to cut it short. I will let you go. Enjoy your day, and I will hope to see you in the near future. Thank you.